Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is MCQ Part 3. Our today's lecture number is 39 for the annual term examination, and your homework number is 37. Your lecture number is 39 for annual term examination and homework number is 37. Okay, in your MCQ Part 1 class and Part 2 class, we learn about from question number 1 to 20, and today we will learn from 21 to 30. Only 10 questions today, okay? The first question is 21. What is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x in mx plus c? The expression is mx plus c. What is the coefficient of x here? The x is multiplied with m. That means m is the coefficient of x. So our answer will be m. Okay. In option A it is 1, option B is C, option C is 0, option D is m. That means option D will be our correct answer. Okay. Now number 22. How many terms? Number 22. How many terms are there in the expression thrice x divide y plus 5y? Sorry, 5z. The expression is what? Thrice x divided by y plus 5z. Okay, dear students, look, how many terms are there we have to find out. To find out the terms number, we have to know the rules. The rules is what? We have to find out how many plus sign and minus sign in this expression. How many plus sign and minus sign in this expression. In the front we have no sign, that means we have plus sign here. That means we have plus sign here. Because we have no sign, that means we can calculate it by a plus sign. So one plus sign and another plus sign. So how many plus and minus sign here? There are two plus and minus sign. So there must be two terms in this expression. This is one term and this is another term. Okay. So our terms number is what? Terms number is 2, because there is plus sign and minus sign is only 2. So our answer will be 2. Option A is 1, option B is 2. So no need to see the other option. Option B will be our answer. Okay. Now the STEAM is, next is STEAM. For the answer, question number is 23 to 25. The STEAM is x square plus y square plus z square, one expression. The next expression is x square minus y square plus z square. The third expression is minus x square plus y square minus z square, are three algebraic expressions. On the basis of these information, answer questions 23 to 25. Okay, number 23. What is the coefficient of y square in the second expression? Second expression is what? Second expression is this one, x square minus y square plus z square. Look, x square minus y square plus z square. This is our second expression, and we have to find out the coefficient of y square. We have to find out the coefficient of y square. What is multiplied with y? Multiplied with y square. Y square we have minus sign. Okay, so that means minus 1 is multiplied with y square. Then we get y square. Okay, minus y square. So the coefficient of y square is minus 1. The coefficient of y square is minus 1. The answer will be minus 1 for number 23. Okay. Now option A is 0. Option B is minus 1. So minus 1 will be our answer. Option B will be our correct answer. Okay. Now 24. What is the coefficient of x square in the third expression? What is the third expression? The third expression is minus x square plus y square minus z square. Okay. Minus x square plus y square minus z square. This is our third expression, and we have to find out the coefficient of y square. Sorry, coefficient of x square. In x square we have minus sign. That means minus 1 is multiplied with x square. Okay. So the coefficient of x square is what? Minus 1. Again our answer will be minus 1. Now test the options. Option A says 2, option B says 1, option C says -1. That means option C is our correct answer. Okay, dear students. Now, number 25. 25 is what is the sum of 3 expressions? We have to calculate the sum of these given 3 expressions. Write down the expressions and then add it. Okay, the first expression is x square plus y square plus z square. The second expression is x square minus y square plus z square. The third expression is minus x square plus y square minus z square. So, you have to add these 3. Okay, this x square has minus sign, this has plus sign. This y square has plus sign, this y square has minus sign. Okay, this z square has minus sign, this z square has plus sign. So, our addition will be x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, x square plus y square plus z square. It will be our answer. Now, test the options. The option says that option A is 3x square plus, so 3x square is there. No, our answer will be x square only. So, option B, go to option B, 2x square. This is also not correct. Okay. Now, option C says x square plus y square plus z square. That means option C is our correct answer. Okay. Now, come on number 26. How many terms, again, how many terms are there in expression? This one, this is the expression. We already learned how to find out the terms number in an expression. Okay, write down the expression first. The expression is thrice A plus 2bxp minus c divided by 5z. This is our expression. Okay, so we have to calculate how many plus sign and minus signs are there. This thrice x has no sign in the front. That means this thrice x has plus sign in the front. Okay, so count it. One plus sign, another plus sign here 2, and this is minus sign here. This is number 3. This is division side, so no need to calculate this one. Okay, so our plus and minus sign is how many? 1, 2, and 3. So our terms will be 3. That means in this expression we have 3 terms. Okay. Now test the options. The option says that option A is 5, option B is 4, and option C is 3. So option C will be our correct answer. Okay, dear students. Now, next is answer the questions 27 and 28 based on the information. The information says that sum of 2 natural numbers is 24. Sum of 2 natural numbers is 24. Okay, number 27 is if one number is 8, which one of the following is the other number? We have to find out the other number. The one number is given 8. We have to find out the other number, and the 2 numbers sum is 24 is also given. Okay, suppose 2 numbers sum is what? Suppose x and y are 2 numbers, x plus y, that's equal to 24. His team says that 2 numbers addition or 2 numbers sum is 24. Okay, so x plus y equal to 24, and one number is given. So let x is given, x is equal to 8. This is given. Okay, so find out the value of y. So put this value of x is equal to 8 plus y, that's equal to 24. To find out the value of y, we have to omit 8. To omit this 8, we have to subtract 8 in the both side. Okay, that's equal to 24 minus 8. To subtract this 8, to omit this 8, we have to subtract 8 on the both side. Now we will get how much? 0. No need to write down 0. That means y equal to, subtract this one, it should be 16. Okay, so y equal to 16. That means another number is 16. Now test the options here. The option says that option A is 6, option B is 18. Sorry, this is the number 27. Option A is 10, option B is 16. So 16 is our answer. No need to read down the other options. Okay, option B will be our answer. Now number 28. Twice of which of the following numbers is added to 6? The sum will be same. The sum will be same means our sum is given 24. Okay, twice of which of the following number? We have to find out the number. That number is twice. That means that number is multiplied by 2 and added with 6. We will get the same addition. That means our addition is given is 24. Okay, The sum is 24. But twice of a number, let that number be x. Let that number be x. That twice x, twice of that number means twice x. Twice x will be added with 6. That means twice x plus 6. That's equal to 24. Okay. Now calculate it. First of all, we have to omit this 6. To omit this 6, we have to subtract 6 in the both sides. Then we will get twice x plus 0. No need to write down 0 here. Okay. So 24 minus 6, it will be 18. Now we have to omit this 2 because we have to find out only the value of x. Okay. We have to find out the value of x. To omit this 2, we have to divide both sides by 2. Then we will get the value of x. It should be how much? It should be x equal to 9. So our answer will be 9. Now test the options. Option A is 6, option B is 18, option C is 9, option D is 12. Option C will be our answer because option C says that it's 9. Okay. Now number 29. 29 is which one of the following is the solution of the equation thrice x minus 5 that's equal to 10. We have to find out the solution. Find out the solution means we have to find out the value of x from this equation. Okay. To solve this, it's how much? It's thrice x minus 5 that's equal to 10. Okay. We have to omit this minus 5 first. To omit this minus 5 first, we have to add 5 both sides. We have to add 5 in the both sides of this equation. Now we will get thrice x plus 0. No need to write down that 0. Thrice x that's equal to 15. Now we have to find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, we have to divide all the sides by 3. Then we will get the value of x. 15 by 3. Okay. So we will get now x is equal to 5. So the value of x is equal to how much? The value of x is equal to 5. Now test the options. The option A says that 10, B says 15, C is 5. So our answer will be C. Our answer will be C. Now dear students, the last question 30. Question number 30 is twice of a number is 18. Twice of a number is 18. Then what is the number? We have to find out the number. Twice of a number is 18. We have to find out the number. Okay. Again suppose the number is x. Again suppose the number is x. We have to find out the value of x. Now twice of the number, that means twice x, that's equal to what? That's equal to 18. So easy. Now omit this 2. We have to divide both sides by 2. We will get the value of x. The value of x equal to how much? It will be 9. So our answer will be 9. Now test the options. The option says, option A says that 36, option B is 9. No need to read then the other options. Our answer is 9. Okay. Do your HW. This 10 questions. This 10 question is also is your HW. This 10 questions is also is your HW. Your HW number is 37, dear students. You have to do your HW in your assigned HW copy. Okay, and submit your HW in every Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Your HW is very, very important for you. You know that very well because we will give you diary marks, CT marks and SBA marks on the basis on your HW copy. So dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Stay home, abide by your parents, keep practicing at home. Okay, see you again. Inshallah, Allah Hafiz.